Welcome to BA Honours Costume Production course at Arts University Plymouth. Our costume production course is where creativity and craftsmanship combine to bring stories and characters to life. You'll explore costume design for theatre, screen, and live events, while honing essential skills like pattern cutting, garment construction, and wearable prop design. From day one, you'll develop the expertise needed to transform imaginative ideas into stunning performance-ready costumes. We celebrate every student's unique creative voice. Whether you see yourself designing for stage, film, or new creative industries, our flexible curriculum helps you shape your path. What truly sets this course apart is our emphasis on practical experience. You'll collaborate on real-world projects with industry-leading partners and contribute to professional productions. Past collaborations include workshops led by designers who've worked on iconic series such as Game of Thrones and Poldark, offering invaluable insight and inspiration. We balance creative theory with practical, hands-on learning. From studying historical costume to exploring contemporary trends, you'll be equipped to excel in the evolving world of costume design. Our purpose-built studios foster collaboration and experimentation, with access to cutting-edge resources like digital design, textile printing, and 3D making. Our lecturers are experienced professionals who've worked on West End productions, major TV shows, and in renowned theatres. Their guidance and industry connection will help you refine your craft and unlock new opportunities. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe and affordable environment, with a dynamic cultural scene including museums, galleries, shopping, and indie cafes, as well as stunning natural landscapes. Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living with outdoor adventures, from easy and fast connections to major cities such as Bristol and London to tranquil seaside scenery. It's all within walking distance of the Arts University Plymouth. Join us at Arts University Plymouth and transform your passion for art into a thriving career. Unleash your creative potential, dive into limitless possibilities, and become part of a vibrant community shaping the future of contemporary art. To find out more about our costume production course, follow the link in the description and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.